nights keep rushing by, everybody chasing something. Neon dreams and sleepless nights, but the soul keeps wanting more.
Helmet resting by my side, ocean wind across the silence, golden light in coastal roads. I can finally hear my thoughts.
Somewhere between the sunset and the sound of the ocean, life starts
breathing again.
Slow time, let the moment breathe. Out where the open roads meet the sea. Coffee cups and fading light, maps spread out across the table, old songs playing softly low. As the daylight disappears,
strangers passing with the wave, two fingers raised in quiet respect. No one asking who you are, only how you ride.
maybe freedom isn't fast, maybe peace is found in motion, miles away from everything, closer to yourself.